What's going on, guys? My name is Schneider. I'm the head trainer here at Sofit Personal Training. And today we're gonna go over some solid stretches to kind of help you with any of the knee pain you face during any of your exercises. If you're new to the gym and you're having any knee pain, there's gonna be one exercise that's gonna help you take your knees from super stiff to mobile and lubricated so you can properly do your exercises and avoid that knee pain. So this exercise is called the kickback, and how you do this properly is you get that back leg right behind the heel. You don't want to be too far, you want to be just behind the heels, and you want to point that knees out and land right into the squat. The goal here is to use the hands to kind of help keep you balanced, but really land into the squat. Now this might be hard for some people, so I recommend holding on to an item or holding on to a stand so you can properly come down into it. You want to do this exactly like this because it's going to help stimulate the knees, it's going to help strengthen the knees and the quads so you can go into any of your exercises effectively and avoid any of that knee pain. If you find these exercises helpful, make sure you stay tuned for episode 2 of our tips and tricks series. I'll see you around.